Hi, I'm John Stratton, Superintendent of Hernando County Schools, and I'm excited to show you one of our latest half-cent sales tax projects. Today we're coming to you from Springstead Football Stadium, and this is a massive $1.5 million project completely refurbishing this stadium behind me. This stadium's over 40 years old. We had to completely repair any cracked surfaces in the concrete, crumbling stairs are being replaced. We removed some of the seating in the middle to now add handrails, bring it all up to code, ADA compliance, replaced all the fencing, and underneath here, on the other side, we've added carbon reinforcement to finally take on our brand new press box upstairs, support that weight from there. We're excited about that press box, brand new speaker system. All of this made possible by you, Hernando County residents, and your support of the Hernando County half-cent sales tax. Can't wait to show you the next project.